In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A27 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Start by launching Play Store and getting fully free app Code Files by Google. When it's ready, launch it. It's this one. Now, choose Continue. Tap on gray switcher next to Allow Permission and then tap on those three lines at the top left corner. Finally, hit Clean. Select Clean under Junk Files and last but not least, tap on Clear in the pop-up to confirm your choice. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my Samsung was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!